In the void of lost memories, Aya finds herself adrift in a vast expanse of uncertainty, where every unfamiliar face and forgotten moment threatens to unravel the very fabric of her existence. It's as if she's a ship lost at sea, with no stars to guide her way back to the shores of her past. Each passing day is a journey into the unknown, a struggle to grasp onto fragments of life she can no longer recall. Without memories, she is but a shadow of who she once was, a stranger to herself and the world around her. Yet, within the darkness, there lingers a glimmer of hope, a whisper that tells her that even in the midst of the other's forgetfulness, the essence of who she was still flickers, waiting to be reignited, waiting to find its way back home.
Aya, wake up! Aya, wake up!
Pasensya na kung ginising kita. Nananaginip ka na naman.
Wala to, it's just an ordinary dream.
Sumasakit ba ang ulo mo?
No, I'm okay.
Mabuti naman.
Why aren't you in my dreams if ikaw nga ang asawa ko?
Aya, stop. It might cause you another headache.
It's not the headache I'm worried about. It is you who should I worry. Hindi kita kilala yet you're here in front of me as my husband?
I'm not the bad guy, if that's what you think.
And do you think I trust you? Hindi kita kilala, hindi kita naaalala.
Look, Aya, alam kong gusto mo na malaman at manumbalik ang memorya. But it's still not the time for you. Maaaring mawala ang buong memorya mo sa kapipilit na makaalala.
But it's so frustrating.
I understand. But please, stop pressuring yourself. Hindi mo na ako naaalala ngayon. Ayoko mas mawala pa ako sa alala mo habang buhay. Maiwan na muna kita. At mamimili muna ako ng lutuin mamayang gabi.
Ako na, ayokong nandito lang sa bahay palagi.
Pero,
Please, Leandro, ayoko ang sarili ko.
As Aya was out buying groceries for dinner, she unexpectedly ran into an old friend named Caitlin. Surprised, Caitlin excitedly greeted.
I'm Caitlin. By the way, I'm very close to Lienzo. Di ba ako nakwento sa'yo?
That statement left Aya confused as Lienzo had never mentioned Caitlin before. Despite their brief catch-up, their conversation was interrupted when Lienzo intervened, dismissing Caitlin's words. He then escorted Aya home and prepared dinner for them both, leaving Aya with lingering questions about Caitlin's connection to Lienzo.
Who's Caitlin?
Aya, we're eating.
So, anong kinalaman ng pagkain ko kay Caitlin?
It's not good to argue in front of food.
Hindi ako nakikipag-argue. I want an answer.
She's a friend of mine.
At may paghaplas sa braso, nickname basis.
Are you...
I'm not jealous. Sabi mo asawa kita. Hindi na kita naaalala ng bababae ka pa.
Stop mentioning na parang hindi mo nakilala.
Then tell me the truth. Who's Caitlin?
She's simply a friend of mine. It's best if you avoid her. She's bad for your memories.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe universe conspired to meld our lives, to make us fuel and fire. Then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be.
As fragments of memories flood back into her consciousness, she finds herself standing at the precipice of a revelation, where the once forgotten pieces of her past begin to slot together like a puzzle. Among them, a name echoes with a clarity that cuts through the haze of uncertainty. With each recollection, the image of a man emerges from the depths of her mind, his presence intertwining with the threads of her history in ways she had never imagined. As the fog of amnesia lifts, Aya realizes that he has been there all along, a steadfast presence in a world that seemed unfamiliar and strange. With each memory restored, the distance that once separated them fades away, replaced by a sense of recognition and belonging that transcends time and space. And as she looks into his eyes, I see not a stranger, but the man who has loved her through it all, patiently waiting for the day when she would remember his name and the bond that binds them together.
Close your eyes, try to see, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. From the sheer weight of your doubts and fears, weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed and till we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high. But love was all that we were on. We belong. And though the world will never understand.
Go. Play. Bagong biyak na buko. Ang sarap nito ni Spruta buko. Why not? Dog. Tanggal angat si Dore. Oo.
Pinatawanan kayo ng kambing.
Ay, please kambing. Hello? Ako yung tumawa. Ba't kambing? Grabe ka naman.
Ka ng kambing.
Tumawa ako tapos sabi niyo tinatawan ko ng kambing. Grabe naman, sakit mo.
Hindi naman kita.
Wala pa nga ni. Behind the scenes, yung may kamerang nag-shoot na padi. Huli. Magano ka lang yun? Matabaan ka, no? Malin. Ay, galing mo mag-react ka. Medyo late ka doon ng konti. Konti lang naman.
Like to go. Parang nag-uusap lang.
Ha?
Baliktad.
Bulbul? Ah, bulldog.
Hoy! Ba yun? Di yun, dog. Di yun.
Huwag kang tumingin sa lalim, gagi sa dinanan mo. Yung sipon ko nga tumutuloy.
Ayoko dyan sa bridge na yan. What the fuck?
Ayaw mo?
No, I don't like it.
Oh my God. Dapat nga walang... Yung tipong nagpipilm tas may lumutang na tayo sa gilid.
Yes.
Sige. Puta ka, huwag ka tumingin, natatawa ka sa mukha mo.
Ito, totoo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2...
Tukunin ka na ni Lord.
1, 2, 3... Gago, umikot. Di ba nandidrive ko? Okay ba? Malambot naman, pero ano?
Sintambot yun na flat.
Pero ang spot mo.
Hindi ko alam.
Ang nyo, nagagawa kami ng ano. Say me, bro. Meh. Joy, dito ako sa dati nating tambayan, Joy. Miss na kita, Joy. Lingkod, Joy. Sana, Joy. Makuha na ako ni Jika kakasuhob, Joy. Para, Joy, sabi ko na sa'yo, Joy. Ang lalaman ng puso ko, Joy.
So, anong
Go.
So, anong kinalaman ng pagkain ito kay Sige? Ay, sige!
Obre? Wow! Bakit, Obre?
Bakit?
Huwag ka titingin sa gilid kasi mukhang tanga si Andre.
Sige na, Manny, bilis na.
Obre, sabi mo, Obre, hindi ka napokpok, Obre. Gila, sila.
Tinyong, sige na.
Malapit!
Dikit sa pit ni Gogo. Kaya par.
Wag!
Ang pangit! Okay na. Lakad na. Sabi dyan lumalin.
Oo.